Hey guys, this is Chanel Friedman here with Usborne Books and More, and I just wanted to show you on my kitchen table some of the variety we have in activity books for kids. I'm going to try and go through really quickly and talk just a little bit about each one of these sets, but if you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Alright, starting right up here, we have step-by-step drawing books that are really cool and popular. I enjoy them. This is step-by-step drawing and then drawing animals. There's a couple other titles. I really like them because of their simplicity and because of the fact that they go through just a variety of different things that kids want to interact with in color. Really enjoy those. For anybody who's maybe interested in computers, we have Coding for Beginners using Scratch and using Python. These are really very popular books, and they go through a step-by-step process. They have games and projects to do, and it follows along exactly with the programs that are online. If you don't know about this, all you need to do is buy this book and it'll tell you exactly where kids go for these two programs. If you have a child that's maybe more interested in the liberal arts or in writing, we have my first story writing book and Write Your Own Storybook. These I really love. I used to be an English teacher, and these create so many prompts to get your child thinking deeper into just being more creative in their writing and stretching out in their ideas. It gives a lot of just interesting different scenarios that they could write on. Maybe for a little bit younger of a child, we have fingerprint activities. There's animals and there's a couple other sets, and this is an ink pad right here, and inside it is really easy because all you need is their hands, which it does wipe off. You put your hand on here and you make different fingerprint activities throughout the book. Very cute and sweet, especially for preschoolers or toddlers. Back here in this corner, I have a variety of just mixed matched one. This is one of our new one, Color Pop-Up Animals. It is a coloring book actually, but you'll notice it has sections that are missing, and that's because in the back here there are instructions that you use, and there's these little pop-up sections that you color in and cut out, and then you glue them into the book. We also have, if any child, this is brand new too, is interested in interior design, My Beautiful Room. This is a truly amazing book that talks through the design aspect and has in the back here some cutouts for them to actually design their own room. Very, very cool, interactive. Another one, this is just actually a coloring book, but it's posters of literary quotes. So it's really inspirational and a fun one for adults to do too. I actually enjoy doing that one. Back up here, say you want to have your child working a little bit more on adding and subtracting and times tables. I really enjoy these books. They are so colorful, so interactive. They come with stickers, so many different activities, just not the average thing that you see in a workbook. Very, very unique and highly worth the money that these are. Definitely worth it. These ones are $9.99 each. Back in this corner here, this is another great one for a toddler or preschooler. Babies just basically learning how to talk. My daughter, when she was 18 months, started this. So basically you have cards back here, and there's various cards, and this is great when they're starting to talk and learn more words. So it gives their different vocabulary words that they can touch. My daughter really likes to do this for like long periods of time. I'm really surprised at how much she enjoys that. Back through here, these are our Academy books. Another great one if your kid is interested maybe in the sciences. Astronaut Academy, Engineer Academy, and Architect Academy. These have stickers, posters, press out models, but basically it is real life examples that they're doing that have to do in this case with engineering. And it's a really enjoyable, I think, book for kids whose minds are more inclined towards those STEM activities. Back through here we have some of our activity puzzle pads. This is a travel games pad. Here's a little children's puzzle pad. Inside these are just various activities that they can do. These are great if you're taking a trip over the summer, or maybe just to keep in the car for carpools. Really, really fun ones. Here's a travel activity book. Anytime that you need your child to basically be entertained and not maybe watching a screen, these ones are awesome. And we have a lot of variety in our puzzle pads. Talking about variety, Usborne has hundreds of sticker books. I'm just going to show you briefly what we have here. These are sticker dressing heroes, build your own superhero book. This is a line that I really like for introduction in preschool. Shapes, alphabet, colors, numbers, and then a first airport sticker book. That's a fun one. We have older sticker dolly dressing fairies book, or maybe if you have a younger one, for sticker book. Princesses. This is a great one. Mosaic. You go through and you make flowers. That gives you stickers and you make scenes with flowers. I really like this one. An adult would like this. And then we have a whole line of sticker dolly dressing. There's a whole series that we have. Back up in this corner is one of my favorite books. It is our Start to Cook book. It is a beautiful book, by the way. The video will not do it justice, but it has different tabs up here: fruit and veggies, dairy, pasta, and it basically goes through and gives you an introduction to each of them. And then the illustrations inside are awesome for your kids to kind of learn about how to prep these kind of foods and just do something together. It is really great. I love all the illustrations that each page has. And then lastly, I wanted to talk about our Wipe Clean series. We have just great wipe clean books that I feel like are really affordable. These big ones here are $7.99, and Ready for Writing and First Letters. I'll just have a look inside these ones. They're colorful. This is the first one you want to start off a brand new kid who's learning about pen control on, is Ready for Writing. And then there are actually smaller size ones that come in a 4-pack. This is part of the Get Ready for School, and this is a 4-pack, as well as Starting School. This says Telling Time, First Words, First Math, Starting Times Tables. This one comes with this alphabet one, and then First Letters 1, 2, 3, and Ready for Writing. Now, another great one for maybe preschoolers is our alphabet cards and number cards, and brand new we have First Words cards. These come with a Wipe Clean marker, and there are 50 cards that are double-sided that are really great and interactive. I like to put them on a key ring, and you can go over and over those skills. For older kids, we have 100 things for little children to do on a trip and travel doodles. These are, again, 50 cards, and I like to put them on a key ring, and these are just really great. You can split these up to have multiple kids use them, and again, just great thing to interact with when you're in the car or maybe grocery store or waiting at the dentist office. If you have any questions about any of the ones that I went through, feel free to ask about it, and enjoy.